Welcome back, student. Let's start our today class. It is the part number 14 of chapter number 6, that is molecular basis of inheritance. And in today's class, we are going to study about the salient features of human genome. In last two classes, we have studied about the different kinds of different aspects of human genome project. Human genome project is set up and the methodology has been studied by us. Now we are going to study about the salient feature of human genome project and the importance of human genome project. Let's study. So the human genome project, after the discovery, it has been found that there are about 3164.7 million nucleotide base pairs are there in human genome. Means in all 24 kinds of chromosome there are 3164.7 million nucleotides. It is the one number point that is very important. Next, the average genes. Suppose this is a gene, this is a piece of gene. How many nucleotides are there in an average gene? In average in one gene there are about 3000 base pair. 3000 base pair. But it varies. Means somewhere a few number of nucleotide, 1, 2 or 3 can able to produce a particular kind of amino acid or enzyme, or you can say protein, and somewhere millions of enzyme or base pair together make a particular kind of protein. The name of this has been made. The largest known human gene being dystrophin has 2.4 million base pair. Means by the help of 2.4 million base pair, a single protein, that is dystrophin, is produced. So number of nucleotide, or you can say number of base pair varies in the production of particular kind of protein. Hope you understood. Next, the total number of gene estimated. In your book it has been given 25,000 to 30,000. So the total number of gene is estimated, not accurate, is about 30,000. First, it has been told that there are about 80,000 to 1,40,000 genes are there altogether in human being. But after that, it has been found that so many nucleotides are same. So the number of gene has been reduced to 30,000. So see here, almost 99, very important line, almost 99.9% nucleotide base pairs are exactly same in all human beings. Suppose I and you, what are the common between us? All the chromosomes that present in me and all the chromosomes that present in you have the same base pair. And how much is equalized or equal? It is about 99.9% equal. Means I and you are just varying with 0.1% different kind of nucleotide base pair. Understood? There is a very little much difference between both of we. Understood? So the function of many of the nucleotide has been, many of the genes has been discovered. The function of different kinds of genes has been discovered, but about 50% of these genes has not been discovered yet. Yes, that is very important thing. Means I already told you, in human genome project the achievement is not achieved that much, that has been thought. Understood? So the scientists are regularly working and trying to find out the function of other undiscovered genes. Understood? Next, less than 2% of the gene code for a protein. Means there are 98% of genes which is workless. and only 2% of genes produce a particular kind of protein, and this particular kind of protein demonstrate particular kind of character. Hope you understood these things. So the repeated sequence, sorry. The repetitive sequence means repeating. I already told you there are so many in the last class. There are so many nucleotides we repeat so many times, repeating. So the repetitive sequence are stretches of DNA sequence. Means DNA has made long due to repetitive sequence. Although these repetitive sequence are not very necessary, but it is thought that it make the main component of DNA. Just read it. Repetitive sequence are a stretch of DNA, means it makes the DNA long. DNA sequence that are repeated many times, sometimes hundreds and thousands of times they are repeated, and are thought to no direct code function, means it do not code for a particular protein, but they set the light on the chromosome structure, means it give the structure of a chromosome, make it dynamic and help in evolution. So repetitive sequence are not have a characteristics or a function of producing a particular kind of protein, but it demonstrate the structure of chromosome, its dynamic structure and function, and as well as it show how the evolution helped them. Understood? Next, the chromosome number 1, which I already told you, has about 2968 genes. The chromosome number 1 is the largest chromosome, try to understand, and it contains the most genes, means the number of genes which is the highest is number in chromosome number 1, it is 2968, and the lowest number of gene that is present in chromosome number Y, and the number of gene is 231. Understood? Now the point number 9, scientist has identified that 1.4 million location with a single base differences. I already told you that 99.9% of the genes are common, or nucleotide or base pairs are common in all human beings, and only 1% is the difference, and the difference is about the differences that present in the human being have 1.4 million location in the human genome. Means that the scientist has discovered that 1.4 million location were single base pair DNA differences, means in I and in you 99% are same, but somewhere it is differences. So how many locations are there in which you can see the differences? 1.4 million location in the genome where you can see the differences in ourselves, in us. So these differences are called SNP, single nucleotide polymorphism. Polymorphism of differences, and it is pronounced SNP. It is very important. Remember, SNP. Sometimes it is asked in the CBSE. I have seen that what is SNP and what is importance. This information promise to revolutionize the process of finding chromosomal locations. Means only these differences can able to find out the differences in the two human beings and the reason of the differences and the characteristics. So these are the points which are needed to be studied by the scientist to find out the main differences and main polymorphism, means differences among the two people and the characteristics among them. Okay, hope you understood the things. For today, that much. In our next class we will study the new topic, that is DNA fingerprinting. For today, that much. Okay, bye bye, see you.